Meet the Expert, a knowledge-sharing initiative of your knowledge partner, the Developing Bangladesh. We discuss on trade, investment, commerce, education, skills, economic development, global peace and prosperity, etc. issues. If you are interested to these issues, please subscribe to the channel. Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner, please subscribe now.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Actually, I am continuing this program, Meet the Expert, since last 1 year or more, and obviously meet with so many experts from all over the world. But I can say today, this interview is one of the best among all these information. Thank you very much, sir. And if I would like to make a quick summary of your presentation, then you have rightly pointed out that the urban area and rural area has a gap, quality of education, yes, opportunities, and everything. So this gap could be minimized. Number one, you have also identified very well that culture of one man earning for a family in South Asia. It is another problem.
Yes.
Because if one source is there, if anyhow the source is missing, then entire family, 5, 6, 7 people will be suffered. So this is, you have crucially identified searching for job after completing the education. It is another very prominent problem all over South Asia, because why not? We can develop our skills and be involved with outsourcing activities in this age of IT and ICT. Obviously, a young learner or a young graduate can earn skills which is demanded in online marketplace. So he can involve with this sort of outsourcing activities and start earning since he is a student. And obviously, after graduation, if it is matched, he can be an entrepreneur. If it is matched, he can be a teacher. If it is matched, he can get another job, any other job. But skills development is important. You have rightly pointed out. We don't have the choice. You have said that the South Asian youth don't have choice to be entrepreneurs. But before that, I would humbly just have a different opinion that our graduates, they don't have choice. Yes, their family matters, source of income, financial support, government support, stakeholder support, it is there. But do you think our graduates, educated number of graduates, they actually try to be entrepreneurs since they are studying in bachelor degree or master degree? This mentality is
Actually, I just want to let you know that our young generation, when I just quote you, I have seen, because I have visited a lot of countries.
Yes.
You will not imagine the kind of skill and energy, the youth which we have in South Asia, never possible in the world. That is one of my experience. And once they are being actually being mentored, or you can say that they are being taught and they are being guided properly by any businessman, by any business tycoon, they can produce a lot of, you can say that, profitable results for the entire community. So that is my actually belief. I believe upon youth. That is my actually aspiration. I believe on my youth capabilities. I never underestimate them, because it's the power of the region. The South Asia is the power that actually comes from the youth, and our youth can change our destiny, can change our regime. They have got the power. That's my actually the main point of
message. The main message. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Your message is actually it is reflecting every corner of South Asia. I personally have the opportunity to visit entire South Asia several times. Obviously, without Pakistan, till now, I'm waiting for the opportunity to visit Pakistan, if any opportunity is there. But without Pakistan, all other countries I have visited more than 3 or 4 times, 5 times. So your voice, it reflects the scenario of each and every part of South Asia. This is for sure. And you have also rightly mentioned that the government job or public sector job is limited. It is almost closed. So government should try to promote entrepreneurship development after graduation or after higher secondary level or even after master's level, government should promote entrepreneurship as well as they should link up the how many graduates do I need, how many doctors do I need, how many engineers do I need. So this calculation should be done. You have rightly pointed out and boldly said, and also recommended something. You have also pointed out that the women entrepreneurship, women in job, women job insecurity of women. So this is also very clearly mentioned. And another very bold step, you have correctly pointed out that the gap between industry and academia. Our academicians, they think, yes, we are involved with so many scholarly activities, we are doing research, we are writing papers, we are reading books, so we are teaching, we know everything. On the other hand, our industrialists, they have regards, yes, we are the powerful, money is the power. So we are the money maker. So we have the knowledge. They are not sitting together. If sit, nobody listen to others. Our academician in South Asia, they are not ready to listen towards any industrialist who is less qualified than him. Similarly, the industrialists, they are not ready to listen from a poor teacher. So this is the ego problem, I think. So if we can ensure this matchmaking, sitting an industrialist and a teacher, an academician together, along with the people, those who are responsible for course curriculum designing. This is the most important gap here in our course curriculum in the secondary level or higher secondary level. Till the curriculum is shorthand writing, till the curriculum is typewriter machine operating. So it is gone 30 years before. Now we are running through laptop, we are running through prompt or any smartphone, even a small microchip. So in this age of microchip, if you teach a student how to operate a typewriter machine, it is completely irrelevant. So we are just wasting time in the academia without having a proper reflection of the industry today. You have rightly pointed out Bangladesh is doing very good in ready-made garments production. We are second highest ready-made garments manufacturer after China. Why? Ready-made garments, this sector has a specialized many institutes here in Bangladesh. Mainly BGME Institute of Fashion and Technology, BGME Institute, University of Fashion and Technology. They are actually producing the skillful people running through machine operator up to merchandiser or above. So these skillful people are working in this particular sector, and most of the garment factory in Bangladesh, they are now operating through AI, artificial intelligence, automated machinery, not sewing or cutting through hand. Cutting it is doing by AutoCAD and even more than AutoCAD, upper technology is using. So therefore, their production standard is high standard, global standard. Production capacity is higher, so they are doing good. Similarly, our pharmaceutical sector, it is doing very good. Today, Bangladesh is exporting pharmaceutical products towards more than 150 countries. So it is another sector coming up. We have diverse our leather and leather production, agriculture and agro processing, shipbuilding, this sector. So like this particular sector, if government provides the same support provided to ready-made garments, then other sectors will come up. Obviously, each of these sectors requires skilled manpower. Who are producing that skilled manpower? Nobody. So, private sector or government, they should engage. They should sit together. What sort of skills do I need require to flourish my pharmaceutical industry? So, do I producing these pharmacists or chemists or druggist or any other skills? If required, we should produce this. If I would like to do better in my leather and leather goods sector, so what sort of skills manpower is needed? Who is producing this? If any institute is not producing that sort of skill, then we should produce it. So this industry academia linkage, you have rightly draw the picture. And it is the same picture in everywhere in South Asia, sir. And regarding skills development, you have also very rightly pointed out another thing, that is everybody wants to be a master degree. And after completing their master degree, they are applying for a clerical job. It is alarming. I don't need everyone of the society have a master's degree certificate.
Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner. We take care of trade and investment, education and skills, economic diplomacy and economic development. If you would like to keep you updated on these issues, please subscribe to Developing Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching till the last.